Okay guys, how's it going? So here's one of those tests that I've clearly just done for myself, but I thought I'd share anyway because some people may find it useful. So I tried to do the same flight roughly 4 times in a row, one with no ND on my GoPro, one with ND8, one with ND16 and one with ND32. The light was pretty bright today, so I probably should have also added a 64 into the mix. But either way, this gives you a good idea. Most sort of ND sets tend to come with 8, 16 and 32. So this gives you an idea of how much motion blur difference you're going to get in these kind of bright conditions. Obviously, if it's overcast or sunrise, sunset or what have you, or just a bit more cloudy than it was today, then your results are going to differ a fair amount with lower levels of light. But anyway, so here they are all 4 on screen at the same time, and now I'll play them one at a time so you can really see the difference full screen. Here you go.